Quant is outpacing Solana right now. These are the critical levels, but first, smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Here we go, guys. Quant is at 119 right now. You must be wondering, what are the critical levels? Where are we headed from here? Well, quickly, let's just start off here with this yearly trend has been nothing but down, and we have finally, since September, have been on an up and up for Quant and have finally broken above this regression trend. Therefore, are we going to be, is this going to be sustainable? Are we creating a new trend here coming into 2024 that's going to be on the upside? So let's take a closer look at this. What does this mean? So let's look at all the quarter ranges of this year, right? Quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. As you guys can see here, we have broken above. In every other quarter, we've been kind of trending downward, just like in the regression trend, trending down. Haven't been able to sustain above the range. Here we broke below the range, actually bottomed out over here around $88, $85. Great entry point. That's where I was able to scoop up a good amount of my quant, and we have been blasting off since. We are finally able to break above this quarterly range here for quarter four, and now that puts us in range with quarter one, right? So you can see quarter one and quarter two the value area high for quarter two and the value area low for quarter one is that 119 level, give or take. That's where we're at right now. That is going to be resistance. But if we can stay above this, that would be huge for the quant price, right? But if we get rejected there, then continue to hope that we get to hold above this 112 of the value area high of quarter four. And if we do that and sustain that momentum, we could possibly break through this resistance here at 119 where we're sitting at right now. If we do this, right, the point of control for quarter one was 129. But from 119 to 129, there's a lot of different levels. So let's look at some target areas in the meantime, right? 125 going to be the next target area here. A lot of trading, a lot of volume happening here at 125. That's going to be the next point of interest here for the quant price. After that will be the point of control at 129. Between 129 and 140, there isn't a lot of volume. As you can see, there's a dip here in volume. So we might have a little bit of a surge through this price. Next range is going to, it's going to be the top of the range of quarter one, 142, 141. That's going to be massive resistance there. But if we can flip that, obviously the next level, the next targets here of interest would be 151. So, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's just take a look at where we've been, where we've come from. These will be great targets to look for in 2024. If you don't have an entry point and you're looking for an entry point, well, like I said, let's take a closer look at quarter four here. If we do retest this 1012, which is the value area high, that would be a decent entry point if we can be held as support. If we see some breakthrough of this 112 and we start dropping back down, 105 here, as you can see, has been massive resistance that got flipped into support. 105 would be a good entry point. And if that is lost, the next target would be 100. And anything below that is probably a great entry point for quant. I mean, the bottom was literally down here in the 80s to 90s around the September time of 2023. So anything below $100 would probably be a great entry point, depending where the market is too, right? You guys remember, smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't. If Bitcoin is having a massive pullback of 30, 40%, quant is obviously has outperformed Bitcoin in some instances and been able to hold. But if it doesn't, and you also see a retracement like you normally do in the altcoins, those will probably be the target areas to be looking for, and it'd be the great entry points, right? So guys, like always, those are the critical levels. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time,